Kenan, get the tattoo. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's good channel, awesome channel. And let's get started to the video.
Oh.
So, my kids right now, it's now 6 a.m. My kids right now traveling to Carpinteria.
13.
Okay, anyway, my kids are going right now to Carpinteria. They have competition, and we are now in the beach waiting for the bus.
No. What's right behind you?
Yeah, let's go. Let's see the buses. Really, the buses behind us?
Yeah.
Is it right? Did you see the seal there, Mama?
Not a seal. Oh, yeah.
What? Is it a fish? Oh, everyone waiting for the bus right now. I just arrived, Carpinteria. Yeah, I just arrived. It's not cold at all, but I'm holding my umbrella, my coffee, my bag. So I'm gonna refill this after an hour. Cheers. And I parked really far away because at least there is 4 type of junior lifeguard. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to find parking here. So I'm gonna go find the spot for Avila Beach junior lifeguard, put my stuff, and come back to you. Okay? So Ken and Russell, they are doing something. Let's see what they are doing.
Yeah.
If you have another replacement, like so next year,
Why would my name be Why would my name be Stem?
Kenan, get the tattoo. Kenan, get tattoo too.
No, I'm Justice! Ride the pony! Yeah, we all do a different do the floss. I'll do the I'm gonna do. You know like that? Yeah. What are you doing the floss? What should I do? You should shoot. I should. Oh, I should do that one. I'm doing take me out. I'm doing take me out. Take me out. No, that's basketball. Yeah. You should do new. No, I'm gonna do. Sprint down their right shoulder.
right here. For the B flags, looks like we're going to have the girls on the south end of the flags pit, and boys should go on the north end of the flags pit. The Santa Barbara side.
Go, Russell!
So B's, get ready for flags.
Go, Kenan! Go, Terry! Good job, Kenan! Go, go, go! So the worst things is in the competition, you know what? When you forget where you park your car. No idea where is my kids. So I have no idea. Them again. I don't know where they are.
You're just tired.
I find them. Here we go. Kenan, are you doing something? What are you doing?
The
your goggles? Hey, why are you leaving the room? Come here. You guys can have a, yeah, over there. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye. Either, where is Russell? Guy is going to. I don't know why everyone leaving me. And go Keenan!
A unicorn!
You'll probably have a better left shoulder. We're not going to send you just yet. We're going to wait until the first few calls. Alright, you are now in the hands of the starter. Competitors ready?
I'm in front of everyone. So I wanna go and catch them in the another end. Yeah. Even I don't know where is Russell.
These are the ones that just got back from their events to check in at it.
They're doing running right now. The end of that way, and they have to come back.
Yeah, buddy!
Bye guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching. This is another video. Please don't forget to
subscribe.
this This is silly. Let's see what I want to show you right now. Please say to me if you like it or not.
Wait, and we also tried this like a million times.